Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our Ford Bronco Ranger XLT. There you can see new wheels and tires. They're 16-inch, 285 75s. So new bumpers on it. Grill, I'd say grill shell's original, which yes has a few scratches in it, but you'd rather have an original one than an aftermarket one. Had a repaint at one time, really good job on it, got a really good shine to it. You know, there's one little, got nicked right there, maybe a little scrape. Ain't many, I kind of went around it with my taking pictures, and all the glass is good. New, it will have, we have it, just haven't put it in yet. New weather strip in the windows. Interior all looks good. I would say maybe, probably even could be original, I would say. As the rear quarter trim, headliner all looks good, dash looks good. Aftermarket stereo is an AC truck, shows 13047, so I'd assume that's 11347. There's some KC lights, switches, and a brake controller. I don't believe it has KC lights anymore. Like I said, really good looking paint. They did a nice job. There's a little bit of a lift on that, on the trim underneath the bumper there. New bumper back here, trailer hitch. Said not a lot of flaws on it. This is definitely a nice Bronco, and these are the ones to buy. They drive better than the first generation, and they're really still a decent enough buy. You know, there you can see some originality on the inside. And there's one little chip right there. So, and I think it needs a radio antenna. We haven't got that, but I think it needs one. We may have one that will get it put in. But not many flaws on it and not many issues. So if you're looking for a nice Ford Bronco, give us a call, 605-695-7391.